Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually giving you guys a room tour. Like, I know I promised you guys this ages and ages ago, but I walked in today into my room and I was like, ooh, my room looks cute. I was like, let me film now while I've just like still got the energy. Otherwise I'll keep procrastinating it. So I'm just talking to you guys while I stare at this candle. It smells amazing. It's gingerbread, guys. Honestly, I am so in the autumn like mood, but you guys call it fall. But yeah, I am in the autumn mood. I just love it. But yeah, it smells so good, even though it's like a Christmas scent, but still so good. Anyway, let's get into the room tour. Okay, so guys, this is just like a quick overview of my room. I don't even know where to begin. Do you know what? Let me just walk around it and just show you everything and kind of explain the decor, as you would say. So if you walk right here, so obviously that is my door. If you walk right here, this is where I film, right? Obviously it's not this messy most of the time, but you can see like I've got my little candles. Yeah, this is basically where I film. I always hang my keys up here because I lose my keys all the time. I'm sick and tired of like crawling under my bed just to find keys, so I've decided to just hang them there. So much easier, like so much easier. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering, that is a fake plant, by the way. Oh well. And then hanging on here, basically the guy upstairs who lives like literally above me, he was throwing this out and it's like a old time like pocket watch, and I was like, that is too cute to throw away. So I was like, oh, let me have it. So then basically I just put it on here. I don't even know why it doesn't even work, but yeah, I'll bring that a bit closer so you can see. But basically, yeah, I just thought it was too cute. If you guys can't tell already, I am obsessed with candles. Like, I have an addiction to candles. The one that says home over there, I got that for Christmas from Aisha. Thank you so much. Love it. But yeah, oh, let me turn on the lights so it looks a bit fancy. Oh, okay. There we go. I've turned on the lights so it looks a bit more fancier, so I look like an actual professional YouTuber. Anyway, moving along. Okay, so right next to my filming area is basically my hair area. You guys may remember this from like my old house. It's just basically like my toilet thing. I've just got everything slotted in there. I'm not even gonna open it, there's just no need. But on here I've just got some of the essentials that I use like for my hair. And it's just so much easier for me to just put it there instead of drawers, because then I can just grab it. So much better. Also, oh my god, I've been putting, I can't even see, aloe vera on my face recently. This thing, top notch, top dollar, top notch. So right next to that little section is my wardrobe. I am not going to open this because my wardrobe is a mess. You know, being a YouTuber, it's all nice, you know, getting all these clothes, but I've got no place to put them anymore because my wardrobe is quite small. But yeah, I just hang my towel on there. You guys will see like a baby blue theme throughout my whole room. So I've got my towel, and then I've just got some bags, some unmentionables. Everybody's got those in their room that they just don't even touch. So yeah, those are my unmentionables. So right next to my wardrobe is just my window, and I do have things hanging on there. Okay, I need to explain some of the things because some of you guys may get confused. So basically, when I open this little curtain thing, I've got this that I got for my 21st birthday from my friend Aisha. She wrote some very lovely things on there, so thank you, Aisha, for that. And then right next door to that, okay, so this little cage thing I actually got from a wedding, so thank you to the bride. She gave me two. I've got one here and then just one on the other side. But yeah, she gave me these little cage things. They're her centerpieces, so I just keep them on my window. Okay, and you guys know my infamous middle finger to the world, so I put that on my windowsill just in case somebody's being nosy and trying to look into my room. I'm like, hey, don't do that, F you, okay? Right, so, and then on the other side, so the guy upstairs, remember I told you guys he was throwing stuff away? So this is Vera, the aloe vera plant. She's dying. Guys, I don't know how to look after plants, okay? She's really, I don't know what's happening to her, but she is dying and I feel very bad. If you guys know how to look after plants, please help because my baby's dying. I got told because she's got little baby plants, like this is the mother plant and this is the baby one, that the baby plants kill the mothers for nutrition. So I think that's what may be happening, but yeah, help. Vera's dying. Okay, so moving on, I got this in Cuba. She's like my little alter ego. I call her Mama Tootsie. So yeah, this is Mama Tootsie that I got in Cuba. She got a fat ass too. Damn girl. Okay, I'll put you back. More candles and that other thing that I got from a wedding, and that's just my windowsill. Okay, so moving on from my window, I've got my bed, which I showed you guys. Yeah, this is just my bed. Like I said, guys, there is a theme of like baby. Oh, this is so soft. I love soft things. Okay, I'm like a baby. You know how every baby has a blankie? This is my blankie. But yeah, this is just my bed. And okay, I've lost a teddy bear and I'm very, very upset about it, but I will find him. So okay, let me explain the family. So you have Montgomery. You guys have met Montgomery before. That's him. You've got William, my hot water bottle, the unicorn. And then this new addition, let's get a close up. So guys, this panda is called Sunny, and Claudia gave this to me, my housemate, because obviously I'm leaving very soon. And she had a lot of pandas. I was like, okay, can I have one? So basically, this is Sunny, and then the other one, I think it's called Moon. I think, yeah, like I said before, Claudia's really into her crystals, and she put like, you know, her crystal energy into this teddy bear, like one for health, what was it? Health, money, well-being. I can't remember what else, but she put her little crystal juju on there. So I just keep Sunny with me just for good luck, and he's so cute. But yeah, I do have another small teddy bear that I've lost somewhere. He doesn't have a name yet, so if you guys have a name for my teddy bear, please let me know. Okay, so moving along. So right here, guys, you just have my nightstand, my water bottle as per usual. I've got my baby blue lamp because I'm obsessed. Okay, the irony, I've got a roll of tissue and some cream right next to my bed. If you guys get the pun, write it down below. If you don't, you're too young. I'm joking. Okay, yeah, so on my dressing table, I just have my tablet. I watch my movies on there. I do a lot of work on there, as in writing. Okay, and then right next to my tablet, I do have my trusty black book. This black book has my life in it, and by life I mean like all my songs, all my poetry, everything. If I lose this, I would actually cry. I'm not a technological person, guys. I like to do things handwritten. So yeah, I always keep that next to my bed and read it, and like, you know, if something comes into my mind, then I just write it down. And then awkwardly enough, right next to my bed is my guitar capo, because I was playing guitar last night, so I just left that there. And that is just my nightstand. So guys, right next to my nightstand, you have my dressing table. Funny story, I don't like having a cold bum. So I put a towel, I couldn't find a cushion that fit well. So I just put a little like towel on there so I didn't have a cold bum when I was sitting on my desk. But yeah, this is just my desk and makeup area. Up there, you've got Benedict Cumberbatch as per usual. And I've just realized he's still on August. Whoops, 1 second. Okay guys, so now it's actually on October. So yeah, there's my calendar. Okay, now I'm gonna talk you guys through my dressing table because it's a bit of a process. So shout out to all the people who have eczema, because the amount of bottles of Aveeno that I have is actually ridiculous. These people make so much money off of me. And the funny thing is, in England, everybody keeps stealing it. So they put like security tags. The eczema is real, guys. It is so real. So yeah, I've got all my trusty bottles, and then down here I just have this little thing that I got for my 21st birthday from it was Dan's mom, actually. Yeah, she got this for my 21st birthday. It's basically where I keep all of like my prized jewelry that I go to, like my go-to jewelry basically. So yeah, I just keep that there. And then moving along, I have all of my perfumes on here. Guys, I like to smell good. I don't like to stink. So I like to have a collection. I think so far my favorite is definitely this Ariana Grande one. It's, do you know what? Yeah, she knew what she was doing because that stuff smells amazing. Hi guys, like I said, ignore the forehead please. So yeah, this is more of my perfume. I've got my beauty blenders in the back. I've got my hand creams. I've got my contact lenses because your girl is blind as a bat. And I've got all my nail polishes. Obsessed with painting my nails. I don't do it often, but when I do, ooh, I go in. I really go in. Hi again. Okay, and then on this side of my dressing table, I have all of my makeup wipes. I have like, you know, my makeup remover, and then comes to all of my makeup. Oh my god, you can see me in the reflection. Worst room tour ever. Okay, so back here I've got all of my brushes. I've got baby powder because that thing can set your face. Some cotton swipes, all of my makeup. I really want to buy like a makeup organizer, but I haven't found like a good one. So at the moment, all of my makeup is just in bags. And then I've got my yeah, ear cleaners. Also guys, I messed up, right? When I first moved into this room, I had a cup of tea. Look what I did. And then I didn't learn, I had more cups of teas and it won't come off. I've tried everything, but I've ruined the desk. I feel sorry for the person who moves in here after me. I am so sorry. Also, I forgot to show you guys up here. I have, so, okay guys, when I was working a wedding, they had a photo booth and I was like, okay, I'm a bit bored. So me and the chef, we snuck into the photo booth and took pictures. So yeah, shout out to James and Michelle for your wedding day. Yeah, we kind of photobombed your photo booth. They will see this, by the way, because on every wedding, they get like the copy of every picture, so yeah. Okay, so moving on from my dressing area table, I have my Harry Potter closet. And you'll be thinking, what the hell? Okay, basically, everybody knows in the Harry Potter movies he lived under the stairs. So I call this my Harry Potter closet, and it's just literally full of junk. But organized junk, very organized junk. Okay, so it's organized, guys. It looks like a mess, but it is actually organized. So I've got obviously my washing basket, all of my bags I hang up in here. Oh, the lighting is very, very bad. I should have used my ring light. But yeah, I keep all my equipment in here, like my YouTube equipment. And then I have all of my shoes. All of my shoes going up, up, up. Yeah. And I just keep like some boxes of like makeup and stuff that I've bought that I haven't opened yet. Also, guys, I'm such a thief, honestly. Today's wedding, actually I just came back from work, so yesterday's bride, she had these slippers for all of her guests, and I have a habit of like, if they leave stuff, I'm gonna take it. So she left, this is actually a good idea, she had slippers for all of the girls, so I was like, oh, this is my size, and they're so cute, so I'm taking these to Africa. She's not gonna miss them. If she watches this, sorry bride. Yeah. Okay, so moving on from my Harry Potter closet, I have my TV and my TV stand. I've explained this before in a previous video that I had a very low stand because I sit on the floor most of the time. But you've got my DVD player, and this movie I actually stole from work. I will bring it back. It's my favorite movie, one of my favorite movies, Star Trek. So yeah, before I leave Leeds, I need to return this movie. Yeah, so I've got my DVD player there, I've got my TV here. I just keep my remotes in the next one over, and then obviously I keep my piano on the floor because I told you guys I just like sitting on the floor. It's one of my things. And then in here, I believe it's just candles. Yeah, so I've got a up there, I've got my candle burner, the one that says home. So obviously you need to put little candles in there, so I just keep a box of candles. And I've got, this is such a cool lighter, but I think it has run out. It's like a pen, but yeah, definitely run out. I'll get another one. But yeah, that's all I keep here. And then in those drawers it's just documents, boring, very boring stuff. Okay, and then just coming into the middle of my room, I just have my table and my rug. Guys, this thing is so soft. But yeah, I don't keep anything on my table, but I do eat, like I said, on the floor, and my TV is right in front, so it's just convenient for me. Also, story time, guys. So I was working a wedding as per usual. I think like my whole room was just full of things from weddings, but I was working a wedding and this was the centerpiece for the tables, but it had candles in it. Okay, I am obsessed with doing this. Like when I come back from home, I literally just put my hand, oh my god. Guys, it is such a stress reliever. Like honestly, anybody who comes into my room, I will say, hey, put your hand in there. So like when I'm stressed, like, you know, I literally just put my hand in here. That's why I keep it on my table. But yeah, it's cute as well. Like I really like it. I think these are Orbeez. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, oh my god. Can you hear that? Oh my god, Shika, you're not right in the head, I swear. So anyway guys, that is my room tour. I know I promised you guys for ages and ages that I would film one, but yeah, I literally, it was a spontaneous film. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was more like a memory for me because like I said, I am leaving. I just want to remember what my room looked like. But yeah, hope you, why is my camera doing that? Hello, come back. As I was saying guys, this video is more for me as a memory, just to remember what my room looked like. But yeah, I'm actually looking forward to decorating my room at home. I'm definitely going to film that whole process. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and catch you in my next video. Bye guys.